Okay, to change the spring, there's two springs in the Mark 6 or Mark 5. One is inside here and one you can see here. I'm going to change the main pivot spring. First of all, remove the C-clip. And remove the pin. As you can see, it's designed to take a Phillips head screwdriver. The pivot on the Mark 6 is left-hand thread, so you undo it in a clockwise direction. The pivot on the Mark 5 is a right-hand thread, so you undo it in an anti-clockwise direction. Once you've removed the bush, take the old spring out. Put the new spring in and screw the bush back in place. Make sure it's done up firmly. This part of the spring will sit under the lip here. So you simply push like that, bring it back up, line up your pin, push it through. Turn it around, your washer and your C-clip, and you're done.